Hi everyone, it's Gail and I am here with a little bonus video today, some Etsy shares and some wonderful news about something I've already shared. So excited to get going here, and I don't think this will be too long of a video. I want to thank everybody for their support and friendship and everything as far as Happy Mail goes. But I am still showing Etsy's. I think the majority of you have really enjoyed knowing where to get great items, either on Etsy or people's websites or whatever, as I come across them. So I will continue to do that. Just want to make that clear because I scared a few Etsy shop owners with my no Happy Mail video. So but we have Etsy shares. So earlier I showed this wonderful October kit from Mixed Media, Minnesota. And I just heard from Shannon and she's got a few of these left. And so I thought I would re-show you kind of the kit. Again, the Prima cutouts. Amber Moon is the main whatever collection I guess you could say. So there's chipboard, there's a couple of Prima flowers that are absolutely gorgeous, and then there's some leafy trim. There's the Amber Moon note cards, so it's like a whole bunch of journaling cards. There are 4 decorative tapes. These are the decorative tapes, a couple of glittery ones. This one says blessed, and then a little polka dot one. There are the leaf chipboard pieces. There are puffy stickers that are the Autumn Sunset collection. And then some distress paint and speckled egg. I was so excited about this. I've been wanting this. And then these gorgeous papers that, again, are the Autumn Sunset collection from Prima. And I showed them to you before, but they have these awesome little animals on them. And just really some beautiful, look at that. Look at that collage. Isn't that gorgeous? So just flip through them real quick for you, and the backs are as beautiful as the front. So anyway, this is the October kit from Mixed Media, Minnesota, and guess what? Shannon is so sweet. For the next week, for my viewers, thanks Gail coupon code, 10% off this week. So very excited about that. And so I wanted to let you guys know that, first of all, there's a few of these left. You better hop over there if you want one. Now, I know some of you have done your autumn journals, as have I, but I am excited to have this like in the middle of winter to do. You know, it doesn't have to just be at fall. I mean, you could save it for next year. You could do that. But I think this is going to be just a really kind of a fun thing to do at a later date. If you've already got your autumn done, you can grab it up for next year, or for, you know, in the middle of winter when everything's white at my house with snow. This would be a great kit to do. So anyway, again, thanks Gail. So run on over to Mixed Media, Minnesota. I'm going to have all the links below, as always. Just going to set that aside. I have a couple of announcements that I wanted to do. This stack of paper came from Bella Vintage Notebook, and when I showed it, her shop was on break. She's had some family emergencies, but she contacted me. She's back. They're back open. She actually has a little staff, and they are running things while she is tending to her family business. So we'll definitely keep her in our prayers. And I just wanted you to know she is open. And then the other fun news is Jolene at A Jewel Design now has a section of her shop called Vintage Paper Girl. And it is my friend Lorette, her mom, her ephemera. And she does amazing ephemera, you guys. I've shown it before on my channel, but I've ordered already. And so I wanted to just, I think I might have mentioned it before, but I just wanted to make sure you knew that Vintage Paper Girl is open for business on A Jewel Design. Okay, so that's my announcements. Okay, next I wanted to show you these. These came from my friend Melanie at Texas Freckles, and these are the books that she makes me for my correspondence. And now that I have requested no Happy Mail, I think I can, what I have, I can put in here, and then that'll be good, because this will make, I think this makes a dozen books that I have my, all of my correspondence in. And once again, running out of room for that. So I so appreciate Melanie being my go-to gal for these journals. And Melanie also has beautiful digitals on her shop, so you can go check her out if you haven't already. Okay, then I got a little update from my pal Michelle at Padded Heart Company. So excited about this. Okay, let's see. I kind of have everything in a bundle because I was just excited to open it. So she's now got some little kits, or little, what would you call it? Sort of a bundle where you get the hearts and you also get some belly bands. And this is Vogue, the line from Tim Holtz. And the other cool thing that she is doing now is she's putting little pockets on the hearts. How adorable is that? Oh, I think it's so cute. So yeah, so new things over there on Padded Heart Company as well. Oh, here's another example of the pocket. Isn't that so cute? Oh, I just love that. Let me make sure I'm up high enough that you can see the little tags in the pocket. Isn't that adorable? And then she's also got some Halloween hearts. And I've told you guys before that I'm not a big Halloween person, but I am going to put this upstairs on my table as just a little decoration, because I think it's adorable. So yes, Padded Heart Company. If you haven't been for a while, pop over there. There's new things. Okay, and then, oh, my friend Jen Bishop, she's been busy. Look at this, guys. She has new stamps at Carabelle Studio. So let me get these up to the camera if I can and get them out of the shinies. So look at this beautiful lady. This one is called Dictionary of Gardening. And there's a little dictionary page behind and flowers, and then this beautiful lady. So these Carabelle stamps are awesome, you guys. I love them. And Jen, you have once again outdone yourself. You just keep doing it over and over. This one's called Key to Dreams. See the keys with the butterfly and stuff. Unlocking your imagination is the key to your dreams. So that's 3 little separate stamps. This one is called Secret. Oh, I love that. Background stamp, right? Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? So that one's called Secret. And this one is called, I'm looking, Secret Garden. Secret Garden. And it's 3 different stamps. So you get this background stamp, which is similar to the Secret, except It's like this is all together in one stamp. This is 3 different stamps. So you have your flowers and stuff up here. And these, so we'll be playing with these soon. We will be playing with these. So thank you so much, Jen. Jen is Dreams, Etc. And she has her own website that you can shop, the Carabella Studio, and Jen's designs for Blue Fern Studios and Jen's digital designs are all on her website. So go over and check her out. And then I got my order from my friend Susan, SM Tiffany Lane, and so I just am gonna open that and see what kind of goodies I ordered. I love it. And and Susan always sends me a little something extra. And look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. There we go. That's the right side. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. It's so pretty. I may just have to not use that in a journal and put it in my little shabby chic corner in my craft room. It's just so pretty. Okay, let's see. What's in here? Oh, trims, and trims. Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh gosh, okay. Actually, I think I'll leave that pink so it's kind of a good background, right? Does that look, are you able to see that? Okay. So, oh my gosh, look at these trims. Aren't they pretty? They're pink and teal. Yes. Oh, thank you, Susan. She has wonderful things in SM Tiffany Lane. Just yumminess. And with the journals that I'm working on right now, I have all the ephemera and stuff to decorate. So I am going to be lace up to my armpits. What a great place to be, right? Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Just, can you see those pearls on there? And oh, these, I love these little flowers. These are such a great size for embellishing. Some beautiful rose trim. Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. Gosh, yes. And then this one. This goes will go amazing with the kit from Mixed Media Minnesota. It's the exact right colors. I'm going to put that with that. Isn't that so cool? Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay, so that's the trim. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to do those last. So I think this all is my order. So she sent some of this wonderful tissue. I love this tissue. I like to wrap my journals in it when they leave my house. I got some sacks, a couple of sacks, so I could do another one of those sack pouchy things. Loaded pockets. Okay, let me get situated here. Okay, so I got some of the big sacks because they make the nice loaded pockets. And then I got some smaller sacks as well, because those will be another layer. Got some glassine bags. Got those. And a lot of neutrals. I got this neutral lace. Isn't that beautiful? It looks tea-dyed is what it looks. And then these little flowers, like I said, I absolutely love having these flowers, and to have them in a neutral is awesome. These little numbered little medals that you can put, or charms that you can put on a bulb pin included as well. And then this color of the little tiny flowers. And then this is like a neutral kit. So it's got laces, it's got the cheesecloth, it's got buttons. Everything is a neutral though. I love that. And it's coffee dyed. I think this is the coffee dyed kit that I got. So fun. So fun. Okay, and then, not sure. No sew handmade tags because I don't sew. Oh, that's funny. Oh, she's included some other kits that she's got. Look at that. Tags and envelopes. Oh, and look at how cute. They're little envelopes. Do they open? Let's check it out. Sure do. Open right there. Wouldn't that be so cute for a gift card? I mean, it'd be adorable on a journal too, but I think that it would be a fun way to put a gift card in, and then whoever you give it to, they can use it as an ornament. Super cute, Sue. Thank you. Okay, I'm excited to see what she's done here. A little no sew tags because I don't sew. That cracks me up. Oh, look how pretty. She's used all of her embellishments. Oh, this one's all sparkly. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Let me stand up so I can make sure I'm in a good spot. Okay. And then this one, this beautiful fabric. They're fabric tags. Oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that is so pretty, Sue. And then this, oh, it goes into an envelope. Oh, that's going in my idea journal. Or my idea journal. What am I saying? My idea cupboard. Look at how cute that is, though. Open on both sides, and then the tag just pops right in there. Awesome. Thank you, Sue. So all of that SM Tiffany Lane. So let's see. We had SM Tiffany Lane. We had Dreams, etc. We had Padded Heart Company, Texas Freckles, Mixed Media, Minnesota, and an announcement from Bella Vintage Notebook and a jeweled design. So I'll get all of those in the description box. Thanks everyone for watching, and have an awesome Sunday. We'll see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.